Do you know why it's important to clean your gutters regularly? Gutters are an unsung hero in maintaining your home's integrity. They act as the front line of defense in a home's water drainage system. By channeling rainwater away from your home, they protect your roof, walls, and foundation from water damage. But when they get clogged, they can't do their job. This can lead to serious issues that threaten the health and safety of your home. Regular gutter cleaning is a small task that can prevent big problems. What happens when you neglect your gutters? Well, let's dive into some potential problems. First off, water damage. Clogged gutters can cause water to overflow and pool around your home's foundation. Over time, this can lead to severe damage, even compromising the structural integrity of your house. And fixing your foundation? Well, that's a hefty price to pay. Next, we've got roof damage. When gutters are blocked, water can seep under your roof's shingles. This can cause rot and deterioration. And before you know it, you're looking at a roof replacement. Pest infestations are another risk. Stagnant water in gutters is like a five-star hotel for pests like mosquitoes and rodents. And let's not forget about mold and mildew. These harmful fungi thrive in damp environments and can quickly spread throughout your home, leading to health hazards and costly removal. As you can see, clogged gutters can lead to serious and expensive problems. So, don't underestimate the importance of clean gutters. We've walked through why they matter so much, detailing how neglecting this simple task could lead to serious issues. Water damage, structural instability, and even a breeding ground for pests are all potential problems from clogged gutters. Make it a regular part of your home maintenance routine. For older homes, located in well-treed neighborhoods, there is something you can do to prevent your gutters clogging in the first place. Installing high-quality gutter guards keep out the majority of leaves and debris. These guards can block the vast majority of debris. One of the most recognized names in gutter guard protection is Leaf Filter. With over 1 million satisfied customers, they produce a high-quality micro-mesh guard that will be custom-fitted to your home. For a free online estimate, go to replug.link/leaffilter. You can receive a free online estimate for your home. Check now to see their latest discount offers. That's replug.link/leaffilter.